everybody? What's up, what's up? So, I curled my hair today when I got home from school because I got like super duper bored and I was like, I don't want to do my homework. There's nothing good on to watch, and I was like, let me just like curl my hair, you know. See? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I curled it. I curled it like a few hours ago, and I didn't put any hairsprings to keep it secure. But you know, the curls were good, and they still are. And they still are. But also, I use this curling iron. I truly just love curling my hair. Okay, so it smells really bad in my house because my little 4-year-old sister, my little 4-year-old sister microwaved the sandwich by herself, and now it smells like a bunch of burnt stuff. She microwaved the sandwich by herself for like a minute, and then the whole thing was just like, phew, and it smells burnt. And now the microwave stinks, my house stinks, and what is going to tell me mom when she gets home? She wants me to go buy food for us, and she left me to watch her. What am I going to tell my mom when she gets home? I'm going to say, my microwave stinks. See? How irresponsible she is. She should have been here. I'm sorry if like the video's kind of like blurred up and stuff. It's because I'm using my my tablet to do it. Please don't fall. So what do you want to talk about? Huh? Just drinking some brisk, you know. Huge. It's not like my favorite drink, but something I'll drink forever. Okay, the smell in my house is killing me. I have asthma, and she has asthma, and I can't be inhaling this kind of stuff. That's why I always got Febreze. Oh. Oh. Which is like crazy. It's like not coming out. Oh, let me Febreze the kitchen. Like kitchen, I'm Febreze it. And inside the microwave. Ew. Just, ew. Oh no, I forgot. Nyla, if she inhales the smoke, she could die. Alright, I gotta go take care of our cat. I'm gonna go in the bedroom because I don't want the cat to inhale this kind of stuff. So, come on, Nyla, this is for your own good. Okay. Good thing there's no smoke in the bedroom. Look at my little baby. Mommy loves me. Okay, that's it for this video. Alright. So, I'm just in the bedroom. Cause like, it's like fire smoke. Nah, I'm kidding. It just smells like really bad. And I don't want the cat inhaling it because then you never know, the cat can die from inhaling all the smoke. Well, not the smoke, well, the smoke smell. I'm going to go call my mom right now and tell her what's going on and see where she is because she's been gone for about a half an hour right now. and she just went to go get food. So I'm going to call her, and kids cat safe, and I hope all goes well. Any questions or comments or anything you need to ask, if you do watch my videos, then comment them up and subscribe. Bye!